Hello guys, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So ito yung reading natin for Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Take only what resonates. Hindi ito magre-resonate sa lahat guys ha. So hopefully ay makarelate kayo, makaresonate kayo. Sa mga hindi pa nakaka-subscribe, pa-subscribe na lang guys. And pa-follow na rin ako sa TikTok, Unicorn Princess Tarot. May mga may mga pa-raffle ako dun sa TikTok. I-announce ko na lang. Especially regarding mga free palm reading, free tarot reading. Usually yun yung mga nag-a-avail doon sa akin TikTok shop. Binibigyan ko sila ng pa-freebies. And yun yung free tarot and free palm reading. Ayan. Etong nakaraan yung money wallet lucky charm. Yun yung ipaparaffle ko. And by the end of February, ngayon, ayan, mga bukas, gagawa na ako ng, ipaparaffle ko na yon kung sino yung bibigyan ko ng free palm reading ko. So, kung isa ka sa nag-order doon, at nag-ratings ka ng 5 star, maganda, isa ka doon sa masasama ko sa raffle. Okay, let's start. This is for Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Ace of Roses, Ten of Mirrors, and Destiny. Oh, why? For some of you, eto kung hindi ikaw to, pwedeng side to ng person mo kasi of course, dalawa kayo ng person mo. So, pwedeng alin man sa inyo ang makuha kong energy. Nakikita natin dito yung parang ikaw ito na nag-give up ka na dun sa person mo. Like, you don't want this person anymore. Pwedeng sinasabi mo, yung iba sa inyo pwede kasing may new person na or currently may kakonect ka which is with the two of flutes. Okay naman kayo nitong taong to. Na parang you're having fun, you're dating, you're being happy together. May mga masasaya kayong ginagawa na parang naano mo na rin na parang okay na ako, masaya na ako dito. And whoever this person in the past, might be a friend. I feel like meron kayong binild nito na something stable. I can see the number 4 dito sa dice. Na parang that could be stability. So that could mean pwedeng katrabaho mo siya in the past, ka-workmate, or ka um, ka-partner, business partner, pwedeng ganun. So, something na binild nyo in the past. But, maybe marami ng changes yung nangyari. And, I feel like, you are happy. You are the one who is happy for now. Kung makikita mo, how would I say this? Ano pangalan ng, yung like a cookie? Cookie man ba yun? Anyway, dito sa dalawang cookie na ito, the other one is smiling, the other one is sad. So, I'm feeling like the other one, which is yung person mo, na mas nakukuha ko doon yung sad energy. And you are the one who is already happy with the two of flutes. No? Masaya ka na. And, it's like, you're giving this person away. Na parang, maybe, pinaparaya mo na siya or binibigay mo na siya. That's the energy kasi masaya ka naman na eh. You feel like hindi mo na siya kailangan. But I want to know more about sa person mo. Ano yung emotions niya towards you ngayon? For Earth sign. For Earth sign, please, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Anong emotions ng taong ito ngayon for Earth sign? Emotions niya para sa'yo. Spirit guides, angel guides for the sign of Earth sign. Emotions niya para sa'yo. Okay, thank you. For the sign of Earth sign. You do have here the Six of Roses, challenge winner. And Four of Rings, possessive. And you do have here the advisor. and the camera guy. So, itong person na ito is still watching you, is still holding on. I feel like hindi niya kayang i-open ang emotions niya sa iba kasi this person, um, I don't know about this person. Pwedeng hindi niya alam yung nangyayari sa'yo ngayon. Pwedeng hindi niya alam na masaya ka na okay ka na. Kasi parang feeling niya, siya pa rin yung gusto mo. Feeling niya, mahal mo pa rin siya. So, if there's a person na kakonect mo ngayon, pwedeng hindi siya aware sa connection ninyo. Okay? Or might be feeling ng person na ito is hindi ka okay sa relationship mo ngayon. Kung aware naman siya sa relationship nyo, parang feeling niya, hindi sila okay ng partner niya ngayon. Ganun yung energy. And this person wants to comfort you. Gusto kanyang i-comfort, tulungan, and I don't know, yung person na ito, feeling niya siya yung mananalo feeling niya siya talaga eh. Siya yung pinipili mo or mahal mo or gusto mo. 'Di ba? And this person is really watching you kung kailan magkakaroon ng, the cliffhanger is here. So, this is like the hanged man. So, naghihintay pa rin itong person na ito kung kailan magkakaroon ng chance or meeting with you. This person wants to meet you in person. Okay? So, ano gusto niya sabihin? I want to know kung ano yung gusto niya sabihin sa'yo. Anong gusto niya sabihin na itong taong to sa'yo? Spirit guides, angel guides, please tell me. Anong gusto niya sabihin sa'yo? Yeah, the Knights of Mirror is here. 7 of Mirrors. Okay. The red flags is here. And 7 of Flutes. And, guys, kung alam niya yung another relationship na involved ka, gusto niya sabihin sa'yo, like with the number 666, actually the angel number 666, hindi naman talaga siya masama or what. Pero the way I feel this is like, it's like the number of demon, 'di ba? And anong ibig sabihin nun? It means like you are dealing with someone na hindi karapat-dapat sa'yo. Gusto niya sabihin sa'yo na hindi para sa'yo yung taong yan. Minamanipula ka lang yan, inuuto ka lang yan, parang ganun. And then with the Knight of Mirrors, ayan it's like you're dealing with someone na tanga. Na, the meathead, it's like, wala kang makukuha dyan sa taong yan. Wala kang mapapala dyan sa taong yan. Ganun yung klaseng energy na nakukuha natin. This is applicable kung alam ng person, itong part na ito is kung alam ng person mo yung, or kung alam ng person na ito yung tungkol sa person na kakonect mo ngayon. Ito yung gusto niya sabihin. You do have your 3 of Mirrors and that is red flags. So, you're dealing with someone na maraming red flags. And itong person na ito is gusto niya sabihin, can you see the scissor here? It's like pagka-cut off. Putulin mo na yan, i-end mo na, tapusin mo na. Kumbaga, hindi pa huli ang lahat. The person, especially kung makikita mo there's this advisor, so gusto niyang maging advisor or gusto kanyang bigyan ng advice. Ito yung gusto niyang sabihin sa'yo, gusto niyang advisean ka, natapusin mo na. No? Huwag mo na pahirapan ng sarili mo. This person sees you as the 4 of Rings. Nakikita niya na parang ikaw ay nakatali, this is your heart. And feeling niya, siya yung nasa loob. Kaya lang, hindi mo open ang emotions mo para sa kanya because you are locked up. Kung makikita mo, may chain dito. So, yun yung gustong sabihin nitong taong to. Umalis ka na dyan kasi pinahirapan mo lang sarili mo. Ang weird ng person na ito kasi natatawa ako dahil okay ka naman. Ganun yung energy mo. Tell me about the future for the both of you. Hindi ko alam kung makaka-relate ka dito guys ha, kasi it feels like a personal reading. So, parang konti lang talaga sa inyo ang makaka-relate dito. So, So, what will happen in the future for the both of you, Earth signs? In the near future for you. You do have the Ace of Rings. Okay. Okay. You do have here the... Oh, Nine of Roses. And the Ten of Roses. Wow. And we do have your number 14. Keep it chill. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. In the near future, um, medyo kaabang-abang tong mga susunod na pangyayari sa inyo na itong person na ito eh. Actually, in the near future, possible na maging, maging chill ka lang pagdating sa connection ninyo ng person na ito. Especially na, sabi ko nga sa'yo, hindi ka naman na nagmamadali. You are focusing on yourself, on the people around you. So, nandun yung focus mo, okay lang. And, I'm seeing a meeting or pagkikita sa inyo nitong person na ito in the near future. Okay? I feel like itong meeting na ito medyo magiging masaya actually. It's like a reunion, reconciliation between the two of you. Ayan, nakakita tayo ng ganon. And I feel like this person is getting ready, no? Getting ready to, bumalik sa'yo and, yeah, you do have your opening up. So, magugulat ka dito sa taong to dito eh. Babalik siya and I can see a meeting sa inyong dalawa in the near future. You do have the fans and the contestant. So, I feel like pati yung mga tao sa paligid ninyo, ikakugulat nila. So, I do feel like na hindi niya sasabihin kung kanino man itong regarding sa pagbalik or pagpapakita bigla nitong taong ito sa'yo. You do have the King of Rings. Ayan. And the Host. Let me clarify this too, huh? What's with the Host? You do have here the Two of Rings. And what's with the Jeweler? The Gossip is here. The Bachelor. Yeah. It feels like you have a choices in the near future, and this could be the choices regarding about the Jeweler and the Host. Yan. And pwedeng sa pagbabalik nitong taong to, you have to choose between the two. Pero nakikita natin that with the Gossip, hindi papayag itong person na paparating na ito na hindi siya lalaban eh. Lalaban siya. And I feel like pwedeng pag nagkausap kayo, isisiraan niya or sasabihin niya na sa'yo yung mga bagay na nakikita niya or yung mga red flags dun sa person nakakonect mo ngayon. And I feel like hindi niya sasabihin sa'yo na ang intention niya is to have you. But rather, ang intention niya is siraan yung person nakakonect mo para makuha ka niya. Okay? Yeah, fresh meat is here. So, ayan. And also with the insecure, Five of Rings. This person will tell you yung mga hindi mo nakikita, yung mga bagay na nakikita niya doon sa person na nakakonect mo. And, ayan. So, that's it for now. Thank you for watching, guys. I love you all. And, bye-bye.